Welcome to Twin Souls is One. Your twin flame is one with you. You both are the same signature frequency, same soul split into two, which are polar opposites of each other. So, since both the twins are same at the soul level, your masculine counterpart makes the same core choices as you do. And it is being presumed that mostly divine feminines are the ones watching the twin flame videos. Actually, they are the ones who are divinely guided so that they can research more on this journey and can know how to navigate through this journey. Now, since both the twins make the same choices, that's the reason why you both have same passions, same hobbies, same likes, dislikes, opinions, and you even make the same career choices. Now, whatever is important for you is equally holding significance to him, but that doesn't mean you can in any way control his body, his ego, his mind. The choices play out subconsciously. He is not aware of it. He doesn't make the same choices intentionally. He does it subconsciously. His subconscious mind picks it up because you are one at the conscious level. So if you make the wrong choice, they do the same. Remember, divine feminines, you lead this journey. So you go first. You go first, they follow you. So, in any way, you cannot make mistakes. You have to be very responsible. They follow your footsteps. You go wrong, they go wrong. And if you stay in your ego mind, apply logic as per this world, try living this journey as per the rules of this world, or try living this as a romantic soulmate journey, then just imagine what you expect your divine masculine to do. How do you expect him to become aware of this connection when you are not yourself following the divine guidance? And you, in any way, you cannot control them. If you try doing that, they will just fall off, they will just disconnect with you. You cannot also make them aware of this connection by feeding them information regarding this connection. They are just not going to believe in you. They are going to apply their logic because they operate from the logical mind and you operate from the heart space. That's the reason why you are that's the reason why it is easier for you to connect with the divine and believe in the truth of this journey. Believe that there is actually a soul connection while they keep denying it. So, divine feminines, you have to be completely responsible. You cannot go off track. Your divine masculine can, but you can't because your divine masculine is unaware of this journey. He is unaware of the truth. Although he's guided by the angels, by the divine regarding this uh, journey, he's also given signs and symbols or informations via YouTube or any other social media or via any other highly spiritual people, just like you are being provided. But the thing is that since they are very logical, they operate from the ego mind, they prefer to ignore it and follow the human programming that they have learned all through their life so long. So, since you have been made aware of all the truth because you have chosen to play the conscious part, you have chosen to do the spiritual work, and they play the subconscious part. They have chosen to clear up the karma by playing their role in this physical world. You can clear karma only by being a part of the matrix. Now, since you both make the same choices, and since you are the one leading this journey by working in the higher realms, by doing your inner work, doing your spiritual practices, connecting with the divine, after you've actually connected with your higher self. So, only when you choose to be with your twin, they will choose to be with you. I repeat, when you choose to be with them, they choose to be with you. Also, the soul always desires itself. Now you can use this power card of same choices being made by the twins for the benefit of this journey. Not for your benefit, but for the benefit of this journey for the purpose of the divine. With power comes responsibility. So be responsible, divine feminines.